Whether you are a small business or an established corporation, we can provide the right fit for your security needs. We offer a full line of services ranging from basic lock changes to high-end security systems, including CCTV, intercoms, garage doors, and access control systems. Whether it is during the week or weekend, day or night, Nonstop can service your locksmith needs. Our products and services range from 24/7 lockout services, safe and deposit box openings, even to master keys, welding work, key duplication or door replacement, lock repairs, safe installation, and high security equipment.
We are Nonstop Locksmith!